Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi Mi Smart Home Hub and I will show you how you can remove this Zigbee child device. So in this case I got here the Aqara temperature and humidity sensor. So we have to open the Mi Smart Home application and select our hub. Next we have to tap simply on the Zigbee child devices right here and select our Aqara temperature sensor. Next we have to tap on the right upper corner and we have to click to delete device, and of course here you got the base information from this device, but just click to delete device, confirm. When you hear this notifications, it means that we successfully removed this device. As you can see, the light is turned off and it means that we easily get rid of our device. As you can see, it's not appear here anymore. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.